Hello, dear sister. Yes, you. I'm talking to you. Come closer. Let me show you how to tie this very simple, beautiful hairdrop. Hello, everyone. Welcome to African Beautiful Fashion and Lifestyle. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to tie this beautiful and simple, stylish hairdrop that you can rock to your Owambe. You know, Saturdays are for Owambe, and we want to teach you DIY gele that you can rock and you will look beautifully amazing. So you can see I took my hairdrop gele from front to back and I just made some few pleats, some few rough pleats because I'm not even paying attention right now. So I just make like 3 pleats that goes to the back, and then I'm going to be using my hand to arrange it. And if you pay attention closely, my hairdrop division is not equal. I have one hand that is longer than the other. You know why? Because I want this bow to be at the side of my gele. I don't want it in the center. So if I want it in the center, I'm going to divide it into 2 equal parts. But just because I want my bow to be at the side, I gather some rough pleats on top of the one I already have and take it to the side of my gele, and see the way I'm tying it. So this is a division of 30-70. So the longer hand is a 70 division, while the shorter hand is a 30 division. So my gele is already a short type, so I just make a knot at that side. Then I open up wide the longer and the 70 hand. See the way I open it up, and then I fold it down in a ruffle pleated way, and then I'm going to be taking the short hand to cross over it in the middle. At this point, you can actually use a pin to secure that, but you all know that if I can avoid pin, I will avoid it as much as I can. So I tuck it in that part, and if it's snuggy, I don't have a reason to use pin. But if you feel like yours is not snuggy enough, please use pin to secure it, because you don't want to tie gele and then you are entering party, everything just scattered, then you have to go out sweating and start all over again. So now you see, like I said, that part come out. So I'm going to try again by tucking it in more, or probably use a pin to hold it. So I'm just making sure that center is well secure. So I decided to tuck it in more, like roll it inward. You can see it's protruding out, but that's okay. Every mistake is a style, which I didn't even see it as a mistake. I just see it like, oh, that's another style. Gele is all about how creative you are. You might have a different mind in mind. You might have a conventional way of doing it, and you decided to do it in an unconventional way. It's just your thing. Make it your own. That is why it is called DIY. And that's it, guy. I have a very simple, unique, and beautiful gele that is ready to go for the party. I'm just arranging it, making sure everything aligns the way it's supposed to. And you can see I have that bow tie right there with my knot protruding forward and forming a different nice style. And guys, I am done with this super simple gele hairdrop. Not every time you want to block people's view. Sometimes you just want to go on a low key and you will still look beautiful and amazing. So you can just arrange your bow and spread it out. You can decide to even add a brunch in the middle, but for my own case, I just want it to be as simple as it can. And you can see it looks so simple and amazing. See that bow? Oh my goodness, this is beautiful, guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. And guys, if you have watched up to this moment, I really appreciate you guys. You guys are amazing. You guys are awesome. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, with your loved one, and let them learn how to tie this beautiful hairdrop themselves. I will see you in my next video. Love you all.